If you're looking for a hobby that combines creativity, fun, satisfaction, and incredible results, then stained glass just might be for you. This here is my latest creation, and it also happens to be one of my favorites. It really does look way better when it's hanging in the window with the sun beaming through. Now, I completed this in less than a week, and it was during a week where I was already busy with a dozen other things going on. In today's video, I don't want to just show you what I made and how I made it, but more importantly, to encourage you to try out this hobby for yourself.
Treasure, every night.
I'm holding in my hand the original receipt when I bought my first stained glass kit and a class that I took in 2008 from the Stained Glass Emporium in Skokie, Illinois. Now, this store, unfortunately, along with dozens of others in Illinois, are no longer around, which is really kind of sad, and another reason that I think it's important to keep the art alive. Now, since then, I've used these same tools to make at least 50 projects and repair dozens of other stained glass windows. It's a gift that really does keep on giving for the rest of your life. If you've never attempted working with stained glass before because, well, maybe you think you don't have the talent, the time, the money, I hope to convince you otherwise to make the effort. First of all, it's surprisingly therapeutic. Whether you're scoring glass, wrapping foil, or just running a bead of solder, you get locked into the present moment. It quiets your mind after a long day. And the best part, it really doesn't demand intense brain power.
Stupid, ain't he?
It's the kind of hands-on work that you can easily do while watching TV, listening to the ball game, or just catching up on a podcast. Secondly, it's much easier than you might think to get good at. Once you master the foundational steps, cutting, grinding, foiling, soldering, the core processes are the same. Think of it like riding a bike. Once you learn to balance and master the basics, it can take you anywhere. And it's not just about making new art from scratch. You can repair, improve, or even upcycle existing glass. I find broken stained glass windows fairly often for cheap because not a lot of people really know how to fix them. This piece hanging in my window, it's been here for 10 years, but it actually came from a front door that somebody threw out in the alley. I rescued it, stripped away the damaged outer frame, and rebuilt it into a wood frame to give it a second life. Another reason is that the outcomes, your finished projects can be really spectacular. Nothing beats that moment when natural sunlight shines through and hits that piece that you crafted with your own hands. Almost everyone appreciates stained glass, but very few people know how to make it. And because it's so eye-catching, it naturally turns heads, and it makes an amazing side hustle if you ever decide to sell your work. Finally, the feeling you get from completing a project is incredibly rewarding. Watching these raw, flat sheets of colored glass transform into durable, glowing artwork really gives someone a sense of accomplishment like no other. And remember, it really doesn't require a lot of extra skill to scale up your projects. This one here is a small panel, but I could have just as easily made this twice as big without any extra effort or skill. To acquire some stained glass skills, you don't even need to take a class like I did. I mean, everything's up on YouTube. Speaking of which, here's my stained glass playlist. Now, personally, I think if you can take a class, it's better, but it's not necessary. Start small. You can even purchase project kits with all the glass already cut. Here's a kit that I bought about 10 years ago. It's a stained glass kaleidoscope. You look through the plain body, rotate the propeller, and then you watch the pretty colors. Now, you're not going to master this craft after your first project. You'll probably end up having more questions than answers, but you'll get there. I've been doing stained glass for 18 years, and it's still interesting and fun for me. I also learn new things as well as get better at the things that I already know, like soldering. It's easy to do, but it does take some time to develop and get really good at. Anyway, I hope I've convinced at least one of you to give it a shot. If so, let me know in the comments. Until next time, I'm Tom, this is Allie Picked, and thanks for watching.
On my bench at dawn, I laid the colors out, small, red, white, and blue, like a prayer in shard and shape. I cut the rough edges down till the light could fit, and every careful line became a promise in my hands. I saw the years ahead in the grain of the glass. Glass eagle rise, wrap this land in light. Glass eagle rise, hold us wing to wing. 50 states in one, 50 states in one, a perfect union in the sun. I bent the silver seam around each feathered curve, wrapped the flag in fire around the bald eagle's back. Every piece found place, every color found its home. And when I stepped away, the window started to sing, one bright body holding many pieces as one thing. Glass eagle rise, wrap this land in light. Glass eagle rise, hold us wing to wing. 50 states in one, 50 states in one, a perfect union in the sun. I think of all the hands that built this common ground. Different roads, same sky, different scars, same proud sound. Let the broken edges shine, let the whole world see how each small piece belongs in the shape of liberty. Glass eagle rise, wrap this land in